Let's move on to something I want to talk about here, which is I have new birds in my backyard. Look at this beautiful fat-assed bastard. He is just terrific. Look at him. I finally got an idea on him. He was an Eastern Phoebe, which is quite rare. I have where's my birding app? So I have him on my birding app. Hold on. I think I can get a little tune from him so you guys can hear him. Here we go. Merlin Bird ID. Eastern Phoebe. Now, why can't I... Dude, I had this app for so long, and I was able to listen to the sounds of the bird. It's okay. I'll get it off of YouTube. I want to see what this fucker sounds like, because the fires in the Palisades there's a lot of expatriates right now. A lot of expats. A lot of immigrants. Refugees. They're moving over the hills to my beautiful trees. Tons of birds all over the place. And they're eating good back there. I don't know what they got, but they all look like Danny DeVito. Eastern Phoebe. Ooh, that looks like, look at their call. My fuckers are way bigger than this. My fuckers are way fatter. My fat bastards. These are uncommon, by the way, it says on the bird app. This is an uncommon bird. I don't like that recording very much, and they should be ashamed of themselves if they're a birder. Now, why is my guy fatter than all hell? These ones are pretty good shape. Man, he's a great little guy, huh? He's a great little bird. There we go. There's the big fat bastard. There's nothing I love more than a big fat-ass bastard bird. Big fat-ass bird. Look at him. Go back to the fatty. Learn 25 common bird calls. The greatest one of all, I put it at the end of our, what is it, the porn star sketch that we did, is the Red House Finch. It's a beautiful tune. If you guys are looking for new music to listen to, or you're sick of the same old crap on the radio, put on, I recommend listening to Whales, Nothing Better, or The Songs of Birds. There we are. Come on. No. I'm sorry. I apologize in advance. Not that. Not that one. The call. I mean, so the song. This is the song. No bird has a pretty... And they are technically an invasive species. The Red House Finch was brought over on ships in, I think, the 19th... No, maybe the 20th century. And they made home in Central Park in Manhattan. Within 5 to 10 years, they were all over the United States. They take food sources from other birds. They're very aggressive, territorial. They take over. You think the Germans believed in conquest. You have no idea what the red house finch is capable of. They do not take no for an answer. The females are gray. The males are red. Beautiful red head. The women look a little bit like a sparrow to me. So sometimes they are difficult to discern. But the red house finch, every time I hear his call, I fall in love. Listen to this. I don't care if some species is invasive either, mud puppy. Hear that? Hey, you can be invasive all you want. Do whatever you need to do. I actually kind of got it there. Was that not it? Was that not it? That's pretty good. They go, tee hoo wee. That's like kind of their call. And then when they go into song, oh, beautiful. N6WQ, you can't dox yourself saying there's red house finches everywhere. They're all over the place. All over the damn place. In my area, there's a lot of ceiling birds. I wonder if the idea of a ceiling bird brought me back to my love of birds. Because they were out the other day and I just fell in love with them again. You know, I've been more focused on being a dad and my daughter. I haven't really given a shit about birds, but my daughter's walking now. She has more autonomy. And I want to show her the birds. There's nothing more beautiful than a big fat ass bastard bird. Beautiful. Just glorious. Sing it. You can't even hear it.